Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the Dazn app to watch your favorite sports. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the Dazn application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So if you do not know how to download the application, you need to go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone or the Play Store if you have an Android. And after opening up the App Store guys, now you want to go ahead and search for the Dazn app. You can do that by clicking the search bar at the top of the screen. Click the search bar and then type in Dazn and search for the Dazn app. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and open up this new page where you can see that you will be able to watch and download the Dazn application. So as you can see, Dazn watch live sports, and you will now be able to go ahead and download the Dazn sports. And after doing that, it's going to go ahead and appear right here on your mobile phone. So now what you want to do is go ahead and open up the application, and after opening up the application guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new screen where you can see you can go ahead and sign up for a new account or explore the Dazn application. So if you click on explore, it's going to go ahead and open up the application, and after you have logged into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which you will be able to see all the sports that you're watching on your account. So guys, if you want, now you can get started with buying a plan, and after that you'll be able to pick whatever you want to watch from here and get started with watching your favorite sports. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.